Start with core concepts. This video introduces the different ways to add text to a design and to apply key formatting like fonts and text size. Explore ways to add text. Whether adding a single line of text or multiple paragraphs, discover the best technique to use for each task. Adding text in Illustrator is super easy. Simply choose the Type tool, keyboard shortcut T, type or paste, and style it. Then you can use the text to create infographics, logos, or anything you want. Working with text is a huge part of graphic designers' workflow because 99.9% of the time you have to work with text in Adobe Illustrator for your design work. Sometimes you might only need to add a title, other times you might create a type poster, posters, logos, brochures, and even on your portfolio. So no excuses, you must learn how to add text and play with text in Adobe Illustrator. You will use the Type tool, keyboard shortcut T, from the toolbar in Illustrator to add text. Add a line of text. With the Type tool, click to add a single line, like a heading. Resize it to fit the design while ensuring you don't distort it. A single line of text is known as point type. Addparagraphs. Drag with the Type tool to create a text box with multiple lines of text. Then adjust the flow of text within it. Dragging to add text is called area type. Format text attractively. Make the poster's heading and text more striking by changing fonts and text size. Apply color to text. Change the default black heading to a different color and make it pop. Thanks for watching ITMaster channel. Please like and subscribe ITMaster channel.